What's up, AP Bio Penguins? So today on our Math Minute, we're going to do a pH problem. So according to the acid rain monitoring, we see that there is a pH measured at King Philip Brook as 5, and at Robbins Pond is at 9. And they want us to determine to the nearest whole number how much greater hydrogen ion concentration was at King Philip Brook. So we're trying something new where I'm not speeding up as much, so we can hopefully see if I can kind of keep up a little bit more. So now we're going to look at the formula for our pH. So pH is going to be equal to the negative log of the concentration of the hydrogen ion concentration. So our first step is going to be to determine that hydrogen ion concentration that we have in each of these different ponds. So for example, let's kind of rearrange the equation. So we know that pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of the hydrogen ion concentration. We move that negative over by, of course, dividing by -1. And then we can raise both sides to the 10th, which will allow us to eliminate that logarithm. So we know that 10 to the negative pH is equal to the concentration of our hydrogen ion concentration. So now let's look at the different environments. So in King Philip, we see that we have a pH of 5. So give me a second, we're highlighting. So pH of 5. And so that means that our hydrogen ion concentration is going to be 10 to the negative 5. Well, if we look over at Robbins, we see that the pH is going to be 9. And so that tells us that we have 10 to the negative 9 would be the concentration of the hydrogen ion concentration. So our second step now is for us to determine the differences between those two concentrations. So if we're trying to figure out the difference, then we're going to take 10 to the 9, which is our Robbins, minus King to the 10 to the 5, which is our Phillips. So we have 10 to the negative 4. And so that tells us that we have 10,000 times more hydrogen ion concentration or hydrogen ions in King Phillips than we do in Robbins. So again, the answer is 10,000 would be our answer. And so here you can see it again. Remember, AP Bio Penguins, dress success.